Welcome to this episode of the JDM TRD channel. I know this isn't a TRD, but it is pretty JDM. Look at this MX5 I've spotted. AFX 421 P-plater, Mazda MX5 Miata. It's blue and it has a few aftermarket parts on it and it looks really cool. One of my cousins in Queensland owns a car like this, except I'm in Melbourne, so I don't think it's his car unless he's driven down and I don't know about it. I don't know, it's very similar. Just seen his photos on Facebook. It's cool. This is, out of all the Mazdas, this is the one I like the most. That is to say that I don't really like any Mazdas except for this, really. I could rephrase that as. This is the only Mazda I like. Yeah. I don't really like the RX-7s, RX-8s, whatever. The rotary engines are petrol guzzlers, and I don't like petrol guzzlers because I am an environmentalist. That's why I drive a Celica, because it is the most fuel-efficient sports car ever made. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video about this MX-5 and how I still think Toyotas are better. Haha, just joking. Yeah, I could go on about that, but I won't. Thanks for watching. See you, bye. Please subscribe. Did you finish? I thought I pressed